If you're experiencing high ping in Roblox and want to enable a setting to potentially improve your connection, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you adjust your settings for a better gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. You can do this by running a speed test on your device. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Adjust Roblox settings. Open Roblox and go to the settings menu. Look for the network or connection options. Here, you can adjust the settings related to your connection quality. Make sure to select the option that allows for better performance in high ping situations. Step 3. Change server region. In Roblox, you can select a different server region. Click on the game you want to play, and before joining, look for the option to change the server. Choose a server that is geographically closer to you to reduce ping. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Roblox, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up bandwidth and processing power, potentially improving your gaming experience. Step 5. Use a wired connection. If possible, switch from a Wi-Fi connection to a wired Ethernet connection. This can provide a more stable and faster internet connection, reducing ping and improving overall gameplay. By following these steps, you should be able to manage high ping issues in Roblox more effectively. Enjoy your gaming.